Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's keep going with our trading plan on the euro currency. You can see that markets across the board come down a bit recently. As you can see, crude oil has plunged down, so some relief on the market, but something tells me that hardly we'll stand at the end of the tough times. So it seems like more probable that this is just some temporal relief. Anyway, let's go with our trading plan. On the daily chart, we have agreed yesterday to follow with the potential bread and butter sell trade. So, currently we see that market reached the necessary conditions, completed necessary conditions by the basic rules of the bread and butter trade. So it has reached major fib levels and closed above the 3x3 moving average. So, by the same rules, market has approximately 3 sessions above the 3x3 to start the downside reaction, to start the bread and butter. So we suggest that this is first close, 2 more sessions it has to start this trade. And currently, actually, we are coming to the final stage of this pattern. We need to estimate precise level where we suppose that trade could start. So, based on the recent performance, you can see the market currently stands, well, mostly at the 30% level, but stands slightly above it. As the potential stop placement area, it seems that it will be nice to place it somewhere above 1170. Because here you can see lots of good resistance levels. So first is the fib level. Also, this is daily average pot, which means that, well, stops losses will be more or less protected. And also this is previous bottom. This could be retested. And in fact, the area right here, it also seems like most suitable for the point where the downside reaction could start, where the market could start this bread and butter trade. So it's approximately around 1140. It's right here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, let's take a look what we have. Actually, nothing really interesting. The only thing that we could consider here is a potential target of this trade. So it's around 109.16, 109.30 area, which will be depending on from what point market could start the downward action. Now to the most interesting thing on the hourly chart. So yesterday we said that might be that we are watching for XOP first of these initial patterns, A, B, C bottom, and XOP has been completed right there. So it has been tested. And then we're start to watch for reaction of the market. So here we see that market has moved slightly higher. We do not have any clear bearish reversal patterns yet, so we need to keep an eye on. And another pattern that we could consider is because our XOP targets already has been exceeded, so we need to take a look at something else, because XOP is done, but no reaction has followed. We use this one, it's ABCD pattern as well. And with this, we have the XOP at 1135, which very accurately agrees with this stuff. Besides, if you measure the extension, you will see that XOP stands accurately with this 1618 extension of this minor retracement. It means that among the patterns that might be formed here stands the butterfly, the hand and shoulders as usual, 3 drive, I don't know, maybe it's also possible, but seems more probable that we'll get something of these two. So, and today, as you know, we get the European Central Bank meeting, so some significant volatility should happen. It's just because Christine Lagarde has to say something. It just can't say nothing, so it's probably some comments should be, and that could lead to some volatility. Maybe she starts talking about interest rates decision or something of that sort. So be prepared for possible volatility on the market. Theoretically, if you're not sure that you will be able to catch the right points for position taking, This is really actually very small distance. So if we'll take a look, it's 11.35, currently we stand 10.60. So it's approximately 95 pips. So if you're not sure, then you probably could try to, I don't know, maybe take the half of the position or 30% of your position right now and see what will happen. With the upward jump, you could add more based on the pattern that will be formed here. If market will not show any upward action, start dropping immediately, we also can't exclude this. And so in this case, at least the 30% of your position will be on the market. For others who are, have the confidence, so you could just make your own decision actually how to behave in this situation. But in general, I explained basics of this setup, what could happen and from what point, from what levels it could start. So that's actually probably the trades that we will follow within the couple of sessions until the end of the week. So let's keep watching what we will get.